Tariki mirongo na inyanya kiumia turorete kiharo-ini giki gia Safaricom Stadium Kasarani niho wira wa ati President Kenyatta niamukirite mathaga ma atoongoria itena ria keri thutha wa igoti ikarugukirira uhotani wake ugekirwo. Kamiti iria ihokeirwo gutigirira gutiri undu wa kubobana igitongorio ni Andrew Irogo igitigirira ni acemania oro muthenya Kuringana na ndumiriri irerekereirio ni mwaria wa thingira wa Iregi Esipiso magana maingi ma atongoria kuma bururi ma nanja ni matanyitwo. Manoa oho akiongerera ati igoti ikaruniritite uge wa Akenya aria matanogire ona thengia wa githurano kia mweri wa kanana guteanirio.
Yesterday the Supreme Court spoke. It upheld the presidential election of October 26, as you are aware. The matter was decided justly and impartially, and we should respect the ruling of the court. It binds the president, his Jubilee ticket, and every single Kenyan.
No athiite nambere kuga President Kenyatta ni arashakaya nyumba iria itete endu ao kumana na ngai iria iratafanirio ni mung'ethaniro akiuga President egutigirira ni anyitithania ndorere ciothe ateguthutukania.
Next week the president will take his oath of office. On that day he will rededicate himself to the path of peace, prosperity, constitutional order and healing.
Ihinda-inĩ riu no ugite thengia wa maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCPE kurekererio muthenya wa umuthi arutwo aria matungirio ngero ciumanite na kiuteti aria manyitirwo ni ndwario na mathukuru kugumirwo ni miaraho ni mekuheo kanya ga gucokera kigeranio kiu.
President has directed the minister and his ministry to set special examinations, special supplementary examinations for a special cadre of students who, because of compassionate reasons.
Ginyagia riu ndumiriri itanyihite mirongo na ireketie gutumirwo President Kenyatta akiendithirio wathani wina umithio kuri bururi ona anyitite mithogore-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV nie njitagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.